kubor menta ka janmit shwaban phai shagi kubor ki babnya ini pechwa ya kimat bakongsan Kentu Kementeri Bapet ya katanat ka kuat kekia ban penyaso ya ka MHIS batu adha. Dang penkrek ke sorkar ban IT Thamai halor kecing penya ya ka 108 ambulance. Her unong yalam ka VPP uba Aden Besayomaj halor kecing kren jang MP ke Raja Sabha u Dr. WR Khaluki bat ong ba kadai tang kecing kren kena khalung bat yalam baklang. Bat ankni bnia Kementeri jang sorkar pedeng ka Savitri Thakur halor ki skim ki bayadei bat ka bha kamiat kilong keni bat ki kena. Ki kubor ki babnya ka menteri bakmi yang katanat ka kuat kekia ka Dr. M Amprin Lengdo kala banjur badan kamban penyaso kerki no ya ka MHIS bad u adhar khanang banyo ikijing mentoi na kani ka skim kani ka menteri kala ong ba ki nongpang ki ba klempat penyaso ya ka MHIS bad u adhar kilamat ikijing e ha ka ba ki hab ban seulut naladi ya kijing lut jing sep baro haba ai jing tip halor kani kala yathu ba ka sarkar kala batha iki hospital ban bu ikijaka ban penyaso ya u adhar rengkat bat kijing trailang bat katanat badai kemi kenang ban pensuk ya kinong pang kani kecing kren jongka kalong hadian balami kecing keno bakadon kecing penbor ikipat ba banle ya u adhar
that those of you who are willing and who want to benefit from the MHIS scheme of the government of Meghalaya kindly seed your Aadhaar so that at the time when you need government intervention it is ready and available for you to use it. Every institute, health institute in this state will be connected to Aadhaar linkages.
Hadian bun snam balapen kut no ya kajing ya soi soskular bad ka 108 GVK EMRI ka sarkar jela kadang pen kre ban IT pat hagi company ki bathamai ban penya ya ka 108 ambulance ya menta katanat National Health Mission kadang shimti ban penya chipor ya kani ka kam na kalyang ka menteri ka kwat ka khia ka Dr. M Amprin Lengdo kala ong ba ka sarkar kadang pen kre ban IT pat ya kani ka kam cheki company ki bathamai kala ong ba kajing ya kani ban penya bat kajing wan tuklar kiseng bhalang kalabu jing e ya ka sarkar ban shim ya karai ban IT haki company ki babyang ki bala ban penyat bet ya ka kam bat yada ya ka hok jong kinong trai.
So as of today the 108 is being managed by the NHM. It is not a permanent solution, but we are not able to overcome all of these queries, counter-attacks, attacks between bidders. And that's where we have still not been able to select any one bidder to manage the 108 service in the state of Meghalaya.
U President ka Seng BPP uba Aden Miller Basayomaj ula therting e ya kecing kren jong MP ka Raja Sabha u Dr. WR Khaluki bat ong ba ka tang kecing kren khalung khana bat yalam bakla habay kren bat ka DD News Meghalaya uba Aden ula kentu ya baro kinong yalam jong ki Seng san perthai ba ken kren da kecing ket khli bat pennet jingmut hakimat ki ba shisha kom kecing senchar ka ba bet bat ka ba khuj ula maham ba ombet ban yalam bakla ki pat ba Henry Donkam ban hikai ya ki pat ba wat hapdeng gani gajing bam yasngotu jingmut hakasain himasima kani gajing kren uba Arden kalong halor gajing keno jang u Dr. Khaluki ba kaseng VPP kale donbor tang bantau jingkulmar
pengipai su MP langipai hakiyang baro kerdan karta i community baki ki jingkren kenong jingkren kiba songmia ma kiba wa briu un sap un puson un perkat un songmungrim tendai ban keno ba ka Voice of the People Party ka persya ki jingthambor bat ka kershan ki kamrunar kalau ka jingkren klung kena ka jingkren klem perkat bat ka jingkren ka persang ban chuya lambak layu pa
Hakasngi baar jong gijing wan jurib ya ka jala Meghalaya ka menteri kena ka sarkar pedeng ka bakmi ya ka tanat Women and Child Development ka Savitri Thakur kalalet ban jurib ya gijaka aijing sumar bapau ha ka jala kenthop ya ka Ganesh Das Hospital ka Shakti Sadan ka Badon Hamauro bat ka Child Care Institution ka Badon Hamau ka siang kalalet ru ban jurib ya gijing trei ha ki thain nong kendong ki bala pentrei lengba ki scheme MGNREGA PMAYG bat PMGSY kani gijing net jurip jongka ya kini gijaka aijing sumar kalong ban kampen bha ya gijing aijing arab ya kilong kemi bat ki khna ha ka than chatei lami ngi ka sarkar Meghalaya kaladep ban penkre ban pha ya ki nurse ki baladep yo ya ki training sha Germany kum kasin jam ban aikam aijam lengba ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society MSSDS ka menteri bakmi ya ka koi ka khia ka Dr. Ampri Lingdo kala pentikna bagi jaka aijing sumar kari Germany kilakwa ban thungkam thamai bat kala penbana bagi bakwa ban thap ya ka nikakam kila ban pendon kam ya u QR code ban register karteng yalade Komban Shukudau ki MSSDS Center ki ai ki training habaro ki district lengba ka jaka ai jing hikai ka badon ha Sauli khnang ban penjana yaki nalor kani kan sadonru ka jing ai jing hikai yaki tien katkum ka jing pendon kam khnang ban pensuk yaki anda ki lalet sedang ya ka kam
They have expressed their interests to the government of India to also train some more nurses so that they can go to Germany and work as nurses or nursing care providers. Your name gets registered once you scan the QR code. Your name is then sent to the employer, who's the interested person who will engage you in the nursing practice. And then they will have a selection, and this selection candidates will be called to the MSSDS Center at Sauli.
Kaseng Voice of the People Party kalapenlong ya gijing yalang pat ba menta kasngi ha yaw theme dong mi sngi West China Hills ban ai jing hikai ya ki pat ba ban long ki ba jai jai ha kapor election u president ka VPP ba Arden Miller Basayomaj ulakantu ya ki pat ba ban kentaj ya gijing pendon kam ya kabor ha kapor election bat pentikna ba ya gijing cha ha kapor election MDC ha JHEDC ka badangshen an salaj ban ujor sha katanat election commission kum ban shukdau ha ka election MDC sha JHEDC kasang VPP kala job tang pratali gishiki bat ka klemla banyo ya gijing bon pai
Mau jalabiru hata tu kemat namar ngasang hanying ban snap ya ke kubor abang ayo jingket bangila ban job tang pra katon ni ke jing perkat kum briu baling mereka kum tahi bang pai shu play aga jingwai balai ke job ni abang i bang yem dai shu ban fe jawab ke bahasa ke bang ke bau play ne kabhang
UMP Katura usaling sangma ulakantu badan kam bandan kecing tip ha kabayadai bat kecing pentrekam yaki skim ka sarkar pedeng kani kecing keranjang u kalami hadian baladon gejing ucor halor kecing bombyang gejing pentrekam yaki skim ka sarkar pedeng bat kecing mentoi ki klemla ban poi syaki pat ba ula banjur ba kadai ka kamram jong ki deputy commissioner ban pentikna ba kadai ban long ka bakhuj basuba bat kentu yaki nong songshong bakin ujor ladadon kanu gejing bom pentrehong usaling kenturu ya ke sarkar jala ban pentikna ba kajing pentrekam yaki skim ka sarkar pedeng kadai ban long ka bakhuj basuba bat ban pha yaki kai phot trekam sha ka sarkar pedeng
such complainant. The whole objective of central sponsor scheme is to make sure that every beneficiary gets what they are for that particular program. But it seems like the awareness program, which the directive has been given by the center to the DC office to make sure that awareness program is very much clearly given to the beneficiaries. We will make sure that DC, who is in charge of the district, and the block BTO, who is in charge of the block, if they receive such complaint, then they should come forward and then make sure that FIR will be made, and then according to the rule of law, the action will be taken against those erring officers.
ka Neutrab Youth Council henen kasngi kalai kendu ya MP ka Rajya Sabha Dr. WR Kharluki bat kentu ya ba untuk larlem halor ke rukam thungkam NEIGRIHMS nakadaw ka jing bom shimkhia ka sarkar jala kaseng HYC kaladawa ba deiban pentrikam ya ka ratio prapho la arpho hagajing thungkam ikinas kata prapho ki kenthai bat arpho ki shenrang hakate ke caka puli bat kumju ha aims kaseng kaladep ban IT ya kani ka dorkas bat nakaliang Dr. Kharluki ula pentikna ba unsa shimkhia kaseng HYC kala late ru banya kendu ya MP ka Shillong parliamentary bat ya MP ka Tura ban panjing arab ban pha sange shipor ki jing thungkam kat ba 4 la ban penbet ya kerukom thungkam
Izeng dawa ke bakseng kalabu kata ka prapo la arpo persen ke bang ong baki dei bantung yakinas ki badi ki kentai bat arpo persen ni ki senrang ngilah pen I ki kot kislah Ahmad jong MP jong Karacha ba bakum nu ka IM skala banle ya kata ka polisi banwanra ya kata ka prapo la arpo persen kumnu ka jipma ka badi kata ka Institute of National Importance ka bakaong ka kala ban pentrikam ya kata ka polisi ka ba prapo la arpo persen ndi tan kita ki babun ki weipat ki institute la ni ki kita kitna trikam jong sarkar India bakila ban rai ban shim ya rai bikin pentrikam ya kata ka prapo la arpo persen
Kinong yalam jong ka MEGHALAYA SSA School Association balalam khmat da president uba Aristotle C Rambai henen kasi kalaya kendo ya commissioner ban secretary jong katanat puli puthi Vijay Kumar Mantri ban panjing panchai halwar gijing terwa ka sarkar ban shimti ban penya ya ki school SSA hakabaya dei bat kani commissioner ula pentikna ba ansa penlong sakawei pat gijing alang nakabanta ban yathir sanibha halwar kamat kabaya dei bat ka SSA bat ka Fourth Teachers Association.
So today we have requested the Education Department, so the Commissioner Secretary, to extend the time for submission of the NOC pertaining to the private, mission, society and NGOs owned school. That is number one. So from the Commissioner Secretary, he have assured us that he will extend the time for submission till the end of this month.
MLA ka Raja Bala Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kasi ula kentu ya Menteri Rangba Gejala Konrad Sangma ban pelat ya ka Jala MEGHALAYA na ka Waqf Amendment Act arajar alhusan haba pen pau jing sngau khia halor ka hok jong kiret pat Dr. Kasi ula ong ba ki kendon jong ka act kum kejing bom kenthop ya ki bom dei ku muslim ha ka Waqf board bat kejing te lakam da ka sarkar halor kejing don jing em ka Waqf ka pen ken ya ka hok senchar khadar bat kala ban bu jing ma ya ka shong suk shong san.
Government can take constitutional decision not to implement it in the state of Meghalaya. You know, I have requested him citing few points, like looking at the tradition of Meghalaya, where all the religion practices that we are following it independently, and there has been total harmony among all the religious groups in the state.
Ka MEGHALAYA Basin Management Agency lengba ka District Project Management Unit kala penlong ya ka program pen sapreng jingtip ka basisngi ha pendeng umyong mairang na kabanta ki brieu ki bakwa ban shim ya ka scheme ram na ka lifcom hagani ka sngi lawan ban yishibenta de ki nongseng kam lajong na ka than Eastern West KHASI Hills ha ka bala ai jing hika ya ki kumno ban shim ram I emi lengdo I bade I manager jong ka lifcom ila batai ba ka lifcom ka ai ram klem ka sud bat ka jing seudep ya ka kalong hadu hinyau snam kanti khnang ban kantieu ya kinong sengkam ha ka than bat kumju ban kantieu ya kayo ka kon ka office jong ka block mission coordinator menta kasngi kala ai khusnam daki trophy bat ki sernot chakhat santali ki school ki badon ha umling block ki balai shimbenta ha ka program tobacco free education institution kani ka program kala itho ya kicing tre shitam hagaban kentiu ya ke imlang sa lang kabalaj na uduma hagaju ka por ka umling block kala yo pediang ya ka best performance award ha ka jela haba ajing grand u MLA ka nongpo uba mineral bonds im ula penpau ya kicing sngawu shaki school ki balai shimbenta shidhem bat ula banjur halor gajing dan kam ban kentiu ya ka rukom im ki khana samla khnang ban laj na gijing di penbu aj mentangin pet ya kejing long jingman kasun beneng hatura kejing kreat kalong arpo degree Celsius but kejing shed kalong lipo degree Celsius kejing ngam ka hau kalong nyo po nyo na ka shispa haba pai pat shnong ba shalong kejing kreat kalong khat sun point degree Celsius but kejing shed kalong arpo point lai degree Celsius kejing ngam ka hau kalong khandai po pra na ka shispa kejing hap slap kalong arpo point real millimeter kat ba hajo wai kejing kreat kalong khat sau degree Celsius but kejing shed kalong arpolai degree Celsius kejing ngam ka hau kalong nyo po khandai na ka shispa kala bandan kejing hap slap ka ba malu mala hajo wai tura bat chelong hakikat tu kat ni kijaka shwaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngi ya pet biang sashisien ya kimat bakong san Kentu Kementeri Bapet ya katanat ke kuat kekia ban penyeso ya ke MHIS bat u adha. Dang pen krek ke sarkar ban IT thamai halor kejing pen ya ke 108 ambulance. Ther unong yalam ka VPP uba Aden Basayomad halor kejing kren jong MP ke Raja Sabha u Dr. WR Kharlukhi bat ong bakade tang kejing kren kelung kena bat yalam bakla. Bat ankmi benya Kementeri jong ke sarkar pedengka Savitri Thakur halor ki skim ke bayade bat kabha kamiat kilong kemi bat ki kena. Te paralok katungila poisha ka bakut jong kathuk khubor jingi menta ga janmiet hadu bangi daya shembyang bat phila shai kisngi kublai phi paro
of the Northeast, that our G20 presidency witnessed an event in every single state